guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. It has been a long week. I'm sure it's been a long week for you guys too, and I'm just excited to sit down and talk about stickers and what is coming out this week. I'm going to be going more into kind of like what's been going on in my life in this week's Plan With Me. I have a lot to talk about. SPC is still rolling, still chugging along. We have 3 employees who do not work near each other, thankfully, so we're all able to practice our social distancing while at work. And yeah, so that's all I gotta say about that for now. But if you want to hear more about like what I'm doing, definitely check out my Plan With Me for this week because I got a lot to say. So let's go ahead into this week's new releases. Let's go over foil first. Let's go over this week's Wiggle because it's like real cool. It reminds me of Epcot and the ball. Is there like a name for the ball? But look at this Wiggle. I honestly don't even think I need like an overlay this week because this Wiggle is just, it's picking up. There you go. It's picking up the way that it should be. Like, I don't even know. So this is our solid Wiggle format. So you do have the bow and then you do have the like confetti bottom washi 15mm. You have the icons. These are so fun. With the right spread, this would be so cool. Like Galaxy Magic, this would be so fun. You have flags and the bows. You also have the date covers and then the headers. And I am just obsessed with this. It is like this really pretty icy prism. I'm just like here for it. Mostly like a silver icy prism. So that is the Wiggle for this week. It will be on a discounted price from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern. All of these releases will be in the shop Friday at noon Eastern. Wednesday at noon Eastern. I'm losing it. All right, so let's go ahead into the foil releases for this week. I do have 3 scripts for you guys. So the first one is Relax, and this does come in all 4 foil colors. There is also this one. Oh, wow. I honestly did not plan this. I had this like ready for a really long time now. This one is Day Off in all 4 foils. And then the last one, might need to stock up on these ones. No School. No School in all 4 foils. That is crazy. I swear I did not plan that. All right, let's go into the non-kit items for this week. So these have been highly requested. Everyone's been asking, when are we bringing back specific grab bags? So I do have some Misfit grab bags coming to the shop this week. So I do have 15mm strip ones. I do have glitter header ones in the new glitter header format. And then I also have label sampler grab bags. These are all Misfits. You guys may be familiar with our Misfits. They're really good quality. They're all pretty usable. There's either a slight offcut or there's like a dot or the ink looks a little weird or something along the lines of that. And there are 10 sheets in each of these. So these will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. We have lots of packs of them. So there are those. Let's go into the kits for this week. So I'll go ahead and show you guys one of the mini kit exclusives first. This is like the last week of this format and I am so excited, guys. So I won't be doing these like crazy mini kit exclusives every week, but these are really pretty, so I had to. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first one here is Celestial Mermaid, which is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Emily just sent me a picture yesterday that she's using this in her planner already. I kind of knew that was going to be the case because like it just kind of screams Emily with like the celestial vibes and then also kind of like the mermaid hollowy like purple colors. But this is just beyond gorgeous. I love it so much. You do have these really pretty pastel colors. I was kind of debating like should I go dark or light, but I feel like the contrast with like gold foil and doing like the dark and then the light would be like really pretty. You have the half boxes page, you have the functional page, you have the deco, and then the other functional items in your bottom washi along with the Munchkin freebie. So this is actually the new mini kit format. I've had a couple of kits released in this format. And there is like a lot different, but it's like to the naked eye you can't really tell. The one difference that you'll be able to spot is this page here, which will be the same in the Ultimate. I just moved the weekend banner from over here to over here, and then it just makes the deco area a little bit bigger. And then instead of having a bow, you just get like extra deco area. So that is Celestial Mermaid. Love it, love it, love it. I'll go ahead and show you guys the add-on options. So kept it simple, this kit. So we have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. You also have the glitter headers if you want to add that on. And last but not least, you do have the label sampler if you want to add that on. The next kit here is Marie, which is the last mini kit exclusive for this week. And then we'll get into the 3 full collections, the final collections in this format. Well, besides April Mystery, I have it right next to me, I just saw in the video. Is this April Mystery? Yes. April Mystery will be the last official kit in the format, which I'll be showing you guys next week. So this is called Marie, and I just thought this art was super cute, and it was just kind of like a fashion girl set. And then I went ahead and changed this to have like a Paris. It just had like a cityscape, but I just wanted to do like a Paris kind of backdrop. And then the artist did do a custom cat for me that kind of looked like Marie from the Aristocats. Aristocats. I'm never sure. So this is the Munchkin Head freebie. You do have the full box here, which are super cute. I did change this to the SPC bow, and then this says SPC on it as well. And I love the pink Starbucks tumbler that everyone is losing their marbles over. This would be great paired with marble multicolor to extend the kit, but you do have like this really pretty like light nude color. Ivory, maybe, I guess would be the better word for it. Tons of deco here, and then you have your simple marble bottom washi. I love it. I just think it's a really nice anytime kit, and I love the pinks. I love an all pink toned kit. I'm quite here for it. So that is the mini kit, and then for this one you do have the option for 15mm strip. You have the option for some girls here, so I did like I changed this girl's hair to like kind of like a custom ombre to kind of match the like darker pink color. I think it turned out real cute. And then you have the glitter headers and then the label sampler if you want to add any of those on. Next we'll go over, I have 2 exclusive kits and 1 non-exclusive art kit for this week, so I'll go ahead and show you guys this one first. So this one is called Nap Queen, and it's based off of like Aurora themed. So let me go ahead and show you guys this one. This is custom exclusive art. You will not find it anywhere else. I'll go through the ultimate kit. It also does come in a mini kit. So there is that as well. So this is Nap Queen. So you have tons of really cute, just kind of Aurora inspired items here. Super just kind of stay at home and chill. Great anytime kit. We love those. You have your ombre heart checklist. You have your half boxes page. You have your functional page. You have your extra full box here with kind of like a Maleficent inspired girl in there. You have your little things, your headers, your deco, and then your other functional items, and then your bottom washi with your Munchkin Head freebie. So I think this was the last like princess that I plan to do currently. As of right now. So that is the ultimate kit. Like I said, it does come in a mini kit, and you also do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, the glitter headers, and then also the label sampler. The last kit, which is an exclusive art kit, is called Crafty, and this is kind of just like a general crafting kit. I feel like I do a lot of planner girl kits, but I don't do a lot of just general crafting kits. So this is great for whenever you're just chilling at home, working on your crafts. Love the colors of this, love the marble, love the sprinkle of all of the glitter everywhere, because you know whenever I craft there's glitter all over the place. So these are the full boxes. So you have like the 2 girls and a ton of just different supplies. You have like the black and white pictures with the photo printer, a little crafting station. You have your ombre heart checklist. You have your half boxes page, functional page, your extra full box here with more crafting supplies, your little things, your headers. You have this faux glitter, like multicolored glitter throughout with all of the accents. Tons of deco here that you could use functionally as well as their craft items, and then kind of like a marble sprinkled background with the Munchkin Head freebie. So that is Crafty. I don't know why I've never really done like just a general crafting kit. I guess probably because I've never seen the art for it, but like I said, this is exclusive art to SPC, so you will not find it anywhere else. So that is the ultimate kit. Like I said, it does also come in a mini kit, and the options for add-ons are the 15mm strip, which is a really pretty gradient color. There's also the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. There's an option if you want to add on the label sampler, and then last but not least, you do have the option if you want to add on the fashion girls as well. They're super, super cute. I love their outfits. Lastly is another kit. So let's go over this one, the last kit. This one also does come in a mini kit. It is a full collection. Full, and I love the colors of this one. So this one is called Beach Babe, and it's just your general beachy, pretty neutral pool party kind of vibe kit, and I think it is so cute. So you have all of these bright fun colors and beachy pool kind of vibes, and anytime summer kit in my opinion. Ombre art checklist, half boxes, like these colors, they're so pretty, like so pretty. I feel like the yellow is really speaking to me. The extra full box here. Oh, look at these colors, just look at them. Little things, headers, deco, so cute. I just love the yellow. I don't know what's up with me in yellow this year, but I'm just like in a yellow mood. And then you have your bottom washi and then the Munchkin Head freebie. Whew, I feel like these colors printed even better than they were on my computer screen. I say that every once in a while and I'm just like taken aback because they look bright and beautiful. So that is the ultimate kit for Beach Babe. It also does come in a mini kit, and then there are a couple add-on options here. So you have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. You have the glitter headers, and then last but not least you do have the label sampler if you want to add that on. So that is everything for this week. All of these releases do go on sale Wednesday at noon Eastern, and there is unlimited stock on all new release collections from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern. And then we also do have that special pricing on the Wiggles for that time period as well. So we do have Beach Babe, we have Crafty, which like I said is an exclusive art collection. You will not find this art anywhere else, along with Nat Queen. And then there's also Marie with that custom exclusive kitty cat on it. And that is a mini kit exclusive. And then also Celestial Mermaid, which is also a mini kit exclusive. We do have the 3 Misfit grab bags we'll be adding to the shop this week. We do have a lot of them, but they are not unlimited stock. So just keep that in mind. I just want to clarify that. We do have some scripts this week again. So we have No School, Day Off, and then Relax. Literally probably can use Relax in my planner for forever now. And then also the Wiggle for this week. Like, what even? This is mind-blowing. It's so fun and pretty. Okay, so that's everything for this week. I hope you guys like this week's new releases, and I will catch up with you in my plan with me. Otherwise, I'll talk to you guys later.